My dear loving students, now I want to explain the most important terms of the determinant, minors and cofactors. So, minors and cofactors both are correlated and both are depend to each other. And there is a little bit difference between minor and cofactor. So, a question may be asked, write the minor of first element, A11. Write the cofactor of A11. So in this way question may be asked. So it is very important to know how we will get the expansion of determinant. How will you expand the determinant? For the purpose, you should know about the minor and cofactor. So see, what is minor? If we delete the row and column passing through the elements Aij, we obtained the minor of Aij and is usually denoted by Mij. And cofactor of Aij is minus 1 to the power I plus j into Mij. So in this way, we can determine minor and cofactor. And cofactor is noted as capital Aij or Cij. So my dear student, my dear loving students, now I expand this determinant with respect to first row. See here, A11, M11, minus A12, M12, plus A13 into M13. So in this way, and in term of cofactor, A11, C11, A12, C12, A13, C13. And it is written in term of minor. How will you get minor? Suppose we expand this determinant along first row. You write A11 and the value of A22, A23, A32, A33 is what? It is M11. It is M11. Now minus A12 and delete the element which are on first row and second column. We have A21, A31, A23, A33. And it will give you the value of M12. So in this way, with respect to the minor and cofactor, we can expand the determinant. Now try to understand. Determinant of minors and cofactors are here. This is the determinants of minors, M11, M12, M13, M21, M22, M33, M31, M32, M33. And its cofactor is C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, and C31, C32, C33. So where M11 is what? M11 is the value of A22, A23, A32 and A33. This is the value of M11. Similarly, we can find the value of M12. And lastly, it will the value of M32. This is value of M32, M33, M33. So in this way, we can find the minor and cofactors of a determinant. Thank you. Thank you very much.